Okay world, how you doing? If your ice machine is ice-o-matic and it looks like this and you don't have any water coming out of the float assembly that's in there, it's usually plugged up in here. Usually there's dirt gets clogged in there. Let me turn on my light and see if I can hang on, I got a flashlight here. This might help. Yeah, so there's the little orifice. So it doesn't take much dirt to plug up that little hole. So you just got to turn the water off to the machine and unscrew this nut right here from here. And you should always back it up, hold on to this part of the float assembly with a looks like a 1/2 inch will work, you know. Use a 1/2 inch wrench on there, and this is also, I believe, 1/2 inch up here. So you're going to need 2 1/2 inch wrenches, or you can use a 1/2 inch down here and a crescent wrench up here. But be very careful. And this down here, you know, this nut can be backed off, but you want to wire brush this if you're removing this nut, and spray a little water around here as a lubricant, so that you need to snug this nut. I believe it's 11/16. I think it's 11, or yeah, I believe it's 11/16. Let's see if I got one. Yeah, so you just put your 11/16 on there, and make sure your float is perpendicular. In other words, your float is going straight, you know, this way. It's parallel. Make sure it's parallel to this piece of metal and not kittywampus in there. So this nut is the nut that secures your float in the little housing here. It just slides in and out, and you remove it by pulling it back a little ways and bringing it up to this open area, and then pull your float out here and just spray it off in the dishwash with a dishwash sprayer nozzle, and tap it upside down when you remove it to tap any dirt out of it. That'll usually do it, and then you can just blow through it with your mouth, and if your mouth blows through air, you're good to go, you know. So that's how to solve a no water problem. And when you remove this line, make sure you have somebody hold this and then open the water line to blow out this water line. So make sure you got good water flow first on this. And once you got that, then you just reconnect it back up, and should be away you go. So we'll see. All right, thanks for watching. Click like on the video and subscribe. Thanks, bye.